Ever wondered how pipe systems stay securely connected? Let's dive into the three key methods: clamp, flange, and threaded connections. First up, clamp connections. These involve two pipe fittings held together by a clamp, which compresses a seal between them. What's great about this method is its simplicity. Clamps are easy to install and disassemble, making them a favorite in industries like food and pharmaceuticals, where frequent cleaning is crucial. However, they're best suited for low to medium pressure systems. Next, flange connections. Picture two flat rings or plates bolted together. This method forms a very strong and durable connection. It's ideal for large or high-pressure systems, such as in oil refineries or chemical plants. But there's a catch. Flange connections require precision during installation, including proper alignment and torque, which can make them more time-consuming to work with. Finally, we have threaded connections. These work by screwing male and female pipe threads together. They're excellent for smaller systems with low-pressure requirements, like plumbing in homes or small factories. While they're easy to assemble, they can be prone to leaks over time, especially under high pressure or vibration. Regular maintenance helps avoid this issue. In summary, clamp connections offer flexibility and easy maintenance. Flange connections provide maximum durability, and threaded connections excel in small-scale setups. Choosing the right one is critical for system safety and performance.